Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video, and don't forget subscribe. Guys. So in today's video we're going to do cleaning, and this day we are cleaning our machine. So these are my tools. I'm going to use normal detergent soap, I'm going to use vinegar, and that little toothbrush that you see over there. So first of all, I'm going to remove this soap dispenser over here. You just press the blue thing that is over there, then the whole thing will come out. So I'm going to soak it with some vinegar and some detergent, then as I go into the machine. So over here you see guys that I've soaked it. I just want to soak it so that it can be able to collect all the dirt, then I'll be able to scrub it. So here I've done my mixture of the vinegar and the detergent, then I'm going to use that toothbrush to be able to brush it. So over here, this is how the inside of the soap dispenser looks like, and you can see there are those small holes. That's why you need the toothbrush. So I'm going to scrub it to the toothbrush to make sure everything is clean. Then yes, we go back to the main area of the machine and we wash it up. So come with me guys, and don't forget subscribe. Guys, subscribe. It's absolutely free, and get me subscribers guys. Share this video, like it, subscribe, and I'll really appreciate. So let's get into the washing. There's not much that I'm going to do over here. It's just normal washing. And yes guys, so come with me guys.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the news, and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did, and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, no, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
So guys, for the inside of the machine, which is the drum, I'm not going to scrub it. Yeah, but if you'd like to, you can scrub it, but I'm not going to scrub it. I'm just going to wash the door and the rubber that is always inside there. That rubber always collects a lot of dust, so I'm going to just wash it with my sponge that you can see over there. Then yes, just wash it, make sure everywhere is clean using my mixture. Then after that, I'm just going to do the drum clean, and yes, the whole of the machine will be washed after that. So join me guys. So down there, I don't know why my camera was not capturing it. I was trying to open this thing. I was trying to open this thing, that the filter that is always down there. So yes, you can open it and make sure you put something down below because a lot of water will come out. Yes, so I'm just going to wash it with the sponge and the toothbrush because some areas you cannot enter with your hand. So yes, I'm going to wash it, then return it back. So guys, this is the filter that I was telling you about. I've already washed it, so I'm just taking it back, and make sure you tighten it before you can close it. And that's it. So I've just wiped my machine with some clean cloth, or the clean super brush that I was using. And yes guys, so we're just going to do the drum clean, and just like that our machine will be perfectly clean. After the machine was all clean, I was so tired, so I made myself some supper or dinner. There we have some French beans, guacamole, a piece of chicken, and some fries. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. And you can also give me suggestion on the videos that you want me to see, and I'll really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.